Y'all want to know something? I'm very proud of myself to be able to make this video because we are at 5,000 subscribers and I'm just so thankful. And if you guys are out there fighting for your future, I am proud of you as well. How much I make with 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. 5,571 to be exact. Yay, thank you guys so much for my beauties watching me. It has been a really long journey, 5 years to be exact, and I have been demonetized twice because YouTube had redid their rules or whatever for the monetization program. So yeah, you guys know that I make a different variety of videos and basically just whatever I want to do. And it all started out with me doing beauty videos, and then it just kind of grew from there. Like, yeah, I don't know. At this point, I just do whatever I want to do. For the magic answer, the last 28 days, which is not a full month, but pretty close, I got only 13,000 views, but I made $64. Yeah, I only make $64 a month. But at one point, I only made $3 a month. So I'm still proud of myself, and I'm still very happy to be here and to be making this video. And for the lifetime of my channel, I have made $1,048. So I just cracked the 1,000 mark, which probably has not even paid for my camera equipment, but I have 20,559 watch hours on my channel, and that equates to the $1,000. So maybe that can help you guys kind of have a metric. So advice for anybody that wants to start a YouTube channel or wants to make YouTube a career of theirs, this is my honest, brutal advice. Brutally honest. This is my brutally honest advice. YouTube is a very hard. In my opinion, my videos are not that easy to make because I like them to be perfect. If you're a perfectionist, it takes a lot. You're a whole business. You have to do everything. You have to market yourself. You have to do the computer stuff. You have to be the actor, the makeup artist, the producer, the writer, everything. So it's a lot of work, and I know a lot of people think that it's easy and you just sit behind the camera and whatever, but that's only like 5% of it. So I would suggest, if you want to make this your career, to make it your hobby first and then just grow from there. Because when I first started, I thought this was really going to be my career, and clearly I can't live off of $64 a month. So yeah, maybe one day it can be a big part of it, but at this moment it's pretty much a hobby. And I have pretty close to 100 videos. So yeah, as far as my watch time, I'm gonna put my analytics on the screen. So we have skipped into the future, and you can see that November I ended up closing off with $68. Almost $69. December I made $70, and it's January now, and we've made $16.87 already. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, a monthly breakdown, and I recorded this video around October, and I'm just now editing it so you guys can get a flash in the future in a way. Here are my top earning videos. I think this is kind of helpful to see, you know, just so you can get an idea about what I make per video. You know, usually when you get a viral video, or your number one video is probably going to make you the most money, but not always, depending on the YouTube algorithm and how they rate your video. And so how they rate your video is really going to be a key factor on how much money that video is gonna make, as long as it has views. So yeah, I hope you guys found this really helpful. I also wanted to say that I am not a consistent YouTuber. I was in the future, but in a way I got burnt out from life, not just YouTube, but YouTube was a big part of it. And so your numbers can be way bigger than this and way better if you can stay more consistent. I'm trying now to refuel the flame and get my fire started so I can start to make weekly, sometimes daily videos for you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and going with me through this journey. It has been a journey for sure, and I'm so happy to finally be at 5,000 subscribers. It's just such a blessing, and yeah, thank you guys. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in another video. Have a wonderful day. Mwah. Bye. Follow me on social media. To the right, I have my Snapchat QR code, my Instagram, and TikTok. See you there.